Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 44. Agriculture, cattle rearing, and trade are the duties of the Vaishyas, born of their own nature, and service is the duty of the Shudras, born of their own nature.
Chapter 18, Shloka 44. Krishi Gaurakshya Vanijyam Vaishyakarma Swabhavajam Paricharyatmakam Karma Shudrasyapi Swabhavajam.
Chapter 18, Shloka 44. Duties of the Vaishyas and Shudras. Our mind intellect is the vehicle for discovering the self. It is governed and ruled by the predominating guna. A Rajasic mind cannot fly into meditation as easily as the Sattvic mind. Similarly, the field in which a Kshatriya can succeed, a Vaishya or a Shudra cannot. To reach the highest station in social life, all men cannot have identical opportunities. A social system can only give us equal opportunities for all members to develop their gifts in and through life. For this, various duties are prescribed that will help to mold the personalities of different types of men. The three fields in which a Vaishya can function inspiredly and exhaust his vasanas are agriculture, breeding and tending cattle, and trade and commerce. These duties are based on the attitude of one's own nature. Work in a spirit of dedication and service is the duty of a Shudra. The mental temperament decides the particular duties one is fit for. If a man operates in a wrong field, he will not only bring chaos in the field but also in himself. We must analyze and discover the type of vasanas and temperaments that predominate in each one of us and determine what type of men we are. Each one must serve the society as best as he can. Each one must work in a spirit of dedication for his own evolution and sense of fulfillment. When each one works thus according to his vasanas and fully devotes his attention to the prescribed duties, he will develop within himself and attain in stages the ultimate perfection. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.